I'm going to show you how you can stop Server Manager from automatically starting by using group policy. So by default, when you log into a server, Server Manager will automatically start, and you can stop it automatically starting on a single user basis on a single server by coming to Manage and then Properties, and then Do Not Start Server Manager automatically at logon. But if you've got a large amount of servers, you don't want to be doing this every single time you log in to all of the servers. So what you can do is if you go over to Group Policy, so I'm on my domain controller, and if we load Group Policy Management, and then under Group Policy Objects, we can just create a new GPO, or if you've got existing GPOs applied to your server, you can just add it to that. But I'll just call this one Server Manager. And then if we go to Edit, and then under Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, and then System, we can come down and find Server Manager. And then we've got an option to Do Not Display Server Manager automatically at logon. And if we just double click that and press Enabled, and then Apply, we've now got a group policy which will disable Server Manager for us. All we need to do then is find the organizational units that have our servers in them, take the group policy and then drag it over the server's organizational unit or wherever your servers are stored. That will then link the group policy. And then if we come back to our server and run a quick GP update, now that the server has got the latest policy, we can close the command prompt. And then if we come back to Manage and then Properties, we can see that this option is now, even though it's ticked, it's grayed out, so we can't actually change it. But then if we come out of our server and then sign out and then sign back in, when we sign back in, we'll notice that Server Manager no longer starts automatically. Just because we've set it to not start automatically, we can still go to the Start menu and then run Server Manager, and then it will open just fine. So we haven't actually disabled it. All we've done is told it not to start at logon.